Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Meghalaya Cricket Association kalashim ya karaiban penlong ya kalumpung ya lekai Meghalaya Premier League T20 tang lengba ka jing ito ka bapura na ka BCCI. U Secretary ke MCA u Naba Bhattacharjee habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor ha kasngi palai arpau terek unailor ulai itu ba ka MCA kalashim kia halor kani ka lumpung hadin bala deppau hakilat patai kubor ba ka COA jong ka BCCI kala penkhamti saka anti corruption unit jong ka BCCI bahkan kmi bnia ya kita ki soskular bala dep bania soi ha pedeng ka MCA bat ka Orient Trade Link ka badai ka jong u Oshim Khaterpal ubrio bala don ka dak thobria bat badon khti hakikam ya thong pisa bean jong ka wei ka jingile kai ya ka test cricket ka balai khun ha pedeng ka England Persia ya ka New Zealand shushu na kaliang unaba ulapan syai ba shwaban shim ya karai la pharu ya ka copy jong ka MOU show Attorney General jong ka jilla ba unyarap ban pej bnia lem la ka soskural ka biang ne em ban jam shakhmat nak benta ban panjing bet nak BCCI ban penlong ya ka ni ka lumpung ya kai MPL T20.
This is indeed historic that today was the first match participating in the national level BCCI tournament, seniors, in the Vijay Hazare Trophy. And you all may be aware, but I'm glad to inform that we have won our first match and it is a good beginning by 8 wickets against Mizoram. Mizoram had scored 154 and requiring 155 for an outright victory, we achieved the target, losing only 8 wickets.
2 wickets.
2 wickets, winning by 8 wickets. The top scorer was our guest professional, Puneet Bisht, who was last year from the Jammu and Kashmir Ranji team and one of the highest scorers for Jammu and Kashmir. And our captain, our very own Jason Lamare, scoring 41 not out and Bisht scoring 95 not out. So this is definitely a good beginning and I think this was a historic match. The first, even after 30, 40, 50 years, this will be remembered, this first match. So we thought that it is only but justified that the media, who has always been supportive of Meghalaya Cricket Association, that we share this happy moment. Of course, the challenge is ahead. We have the battle has been won, but the war is ahead. This is a challenge. And the most important is that we want that these tournaments should encourage our indigenous players, which is very, very important. Unless players from our own state come up, it will be very difficult to sustain the momentum and prove ourselves.